Hey travelers, can you guess where we are this time? We're in Malaysia. I made this decision on a whim since I was close by. So, selamat datang ke Malaysia.
You may now use your mobile phones or tablets in flight mode to connect to your mobile network. Do be careful when opening the overhead compartments and please ensure all your personal belongings with you before leaving this aircraft. Please be advised that removal of life vests from this aircraft is a very serious offense subject to fine or imprisonment.
As you can see, I was greeted by such an amazing sunset. And you heard him, removal of the life vest is subject to fine or imprisonment. I guess someone has done that here before because I've never heard that in all my travels. Anyways, I booked an airport transfer from trip.com, and before arrival you will be sent a photo of the car, the driver's name, license plate number. They will also give you clear instructions of how to get to the pickup point, and they will also give you a photo of the pickup point. So this one was mine, and this is generally the pickup point for trip.com cars at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. You exit through door 3 and you find column 11. I found the car, so now let's load up the suitcase. And of course it was quite heavy because I packed so much in such a tiny suitcase. The journey from the airport to my hotel is about an hour, so just have to relax and enjoy the ride. I arrived at the hotel and this is the lobby. It's quite beautiful, and we're staying on the 42nd floor. Oh my goodness, I did book this hotel for the view, but I did not expect that I would be on the 42nd floor. Like, that is too high for me. Anyway, let me quickly show you the room. As you can see, there is a washing machine. It also has a dryer on it, so it's 2-in-1. We have a microwave and a mini fridge. We have like utensils, dishes. I don't know what's on the top shelf because I'm too short. And now for the view. If we are gonna travel to the city, I'm not a city girl. I always want to go to the ocean. But if we're gonna travel to the city, then we have to enjoy the city view. And here you have it. From the room, I can see the Petronas Twin Tower, the KL Tower, and the Merdeka, which is the second tallest building in the world. So I'm loving this view. We're in Malaysia and I'm supposed to be finding some Malaysian food, but since sushi is my new favorite dish, I decided to go to this Japanese restaurant. The service is not great, but the food was pretty good. So I got some ramen and some dragon rolls. I did some research and I decided to go to one of the most popular Malaysian restaurants. It's called Madam Kwan's. They have multiple locations in Kuala Lumpur, and this was the first one I tried. Look at the queue. Oh my goodness. I stood up for a while and then I'm like, no way I'm doing this, especially because I was starving. So I went to another location which was like 10 minutes away, and after a short wait I got a table. They have other Southeast Asian dishes, not just Malaysian options. So what I got was a salted fish, fried rice, and sweet and sour chicken. And no, that's not garlic juice, it's lychee. I'd have loved to try some more things on the menu, but I was so full. I ordered some dessert for takeaway, and guys, this is a must visit. I'll be back for sure. Now let's hop on the KL hop on hop off city tour. They have two routes. They have the garden route and the city route. The pass is for 60 Malaysian ringgit, which is about 14 USD, and it's a 24-hour pass. The buses operate from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Last pickup at any stop is at 5 p.m. You can hop off of the bus at any of its designated stops, explore a little, then head back to the pickup point. Wait on another bus, and they're usually 30 minutes apart. However, you don't have to leave the bus. The entire tour for one of the routes is 2 hours, especially because of traffic. But if you plan to leave the bus at some point, then do not underestimate how fast time moves when you're exploring, shopping, or just having fun. By the time you know it, the day has ended and you've only completed half of the tour. Don't worry though, just get an early start the next morning and please make the most of the 24-hour pass. There's also a night tour, and who doesn't want to see Kuala Lumpur city lights come alive? But this tour is in high demand, so you have to book at least 7 days in advance. This is Chinatown, and you also have Jalan Petaling Street here. They sell replicas of like electronic devices, accessories, shoes, and so much more. There is the Central Market, which is a very popular tourist destination. You can get souvenirs and also some authentic Malaysian products. This is the KL Tower. Of course, you can go on the inside up to about 300 meters, and here you will have a panoramic view of Kuala Lumpur. In the distance, that's the Merdeka Tower, which is the second tallest building in the world after the Burj Khalifa. It is 678 meters tall. And here you have the world's tallest twin skyscrapers, the Petronas Twin Towers. It is, of course, one of the most popular landmarks in the city. In the middle of the towers is the KLCC shopping mall. When you enter, you can just continue straight and you will come upon the exit at the back. Around here you have restaurants, and you also have just a great view of the area, and there are places where you can sit down and maybe have a picnic and just enjoy the view. Okay, Paris Hilton, we see you. Right up there is the Hilton Hotel. This is Merdeka Square or Independence Square, and this is where Malaysia declared its independence in August 1957, and this is where the Malaysian flag was first raised.
We have arrived at our stop, number 24, Merdeka Square.
This is called the Bird Park. It's the world's largest free flight walk-in aviary, and they have about 200 different species of birds. The Sunway Putra Mall, as you can see, very vibrant colors, and the bus stopped for a while, so of course I was trying to get some videos and photos. Up here we have the National Palace, which is the residence of the King of Malaysia. Oh my goodness, please move this umbrella. As you can see here, I'm trying to do a video, but my hair will not let me be great or cute. Attractions. There is Little India, the National Library, National Museum, the National Mosque, KL Convention Center, the aquarium. Okay guys, sit back and enjoy the night view. You'll see the Petronas Twin Towers, and later on you'll also see the Saloma Bridge. The Saloma Bridge changes the colors at night, and you can get some beautiful photos here with the Petronas Twin Towers in the background. There are many photographers around these areas during the daytime and even at night. So if you're a solo traveler or if you just want a professional photo, then there'll be many photographers to choose from, and the cost is normally 15 Malaysian ringgit per photo. See, I bought some Rio. We are actually getting to the end of the trip, so let's take that journey to the rooftop pool. The pool is on the 48th floor.
Sorry, no drink.
This guy said no drinking. So let's go put it down and go back up. Guy says, I need a towel. But in the room, it says I shouldn't need a towel. So heading back to get one. Like it clearly states on the door, do not bring the towel because designated towels will be provided. And now I'm coming back for the second time to get a towel. Oh my goodness. But we finally made it with no drink and a towel. And this is the view, guys. It's absolutely breathtaking. This is the perfect way to end the trip, actually. I'm at the airport, and guys, Malaysia did not want me to leave. Look at that rain. This was actually my first time about to fly or take off in such a weather, and it was pretty scary. Yes, this was inside the plane.
Please come in first. Please go that way, then I'll talk. Please come in first. Sorry for the rain.
No need to tell me sorry for the rain because you do not control such things. Anyways, the pilot was great. He assured us that after takeoff it would just take about 10 minutes until we clear the bad weather. So yep, there you have it. This was the end of the trip. I had such a great time in Malaysia. I'm definitely planning to go back. This was just 4 days in the city, Kuala Lumpur. And there's so much more to explore in Malaysia, so I'll be back. Suitcase got damaged during transit, but I was compensated. Got home, my plant died from dehydration, and I tested positive for COVID. Peace out, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.